As we begin this special celebration, may I request everyone to kindly rise as our distinguished dignitaries are escorted to the venue by NCC cadets, whose discipline, dignity, and sense of service reflect the true spirit of leadership. A very pleasant morning to one and all. There are moments that simply pass with time, and there are moments that leave a lasting mark on history. Today is one such occasion where perseverance is recognized, dedication is honored, and excellence is celebrated with immense pride. It is my honor and privilege to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you as we gather to celebrate academic excellence and felicitate the outstanding achievers of Grade 10 and Grade 12 of the academic year 2025-26. A cordial welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Sujay De Silva, PTA Vice President, our distinguished guest of honor, Mr. Nishkal Rao, our beloved principal, Sister Melissa, Administrator, Sister Karisima, Superior, Sister Reshma, respected PTC members, our proud Grade 10 and Grade 12 board toppers, esteemed parents, dear teachers, and my dear students. Every memorable journey begins with God's blessings, and every meaningful celebration finds its strength in prayer. As we commence this joyous celebration, let us seek the guidance, wisdom, and the abundant blessings of the Almighty. I now invite our students to lead us in prayer.
You made me wonderfully, every heartbeat, every step, a gift I cannot earn, the life you planned for me. Through the valleys, through the storms, your hand is guiding me. Your love is strong, it never fails, you hold my destiny. Life. Thank you, Lord, for this love. Every dream, every moment comes from your heart above. Unsure, you see the plans inside, a light you placed within my soul, the purpose I can't hide. Thank you, Lord, for this life. Thank you, Lord, for this love. Every dream, every moment comes from your heart above. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, dear students, for that beautiful prayer invoking God's blessings upon us. Dance is the silent language of celebration, where every movement expresses joy, every rhythm reflects warmth, and every graceful step extends a heartfelt welcome. To warmly welcome our distinguished guests, achievers, parents, and to set the tone for this joyous celebration, I call upon our students to present the welcome dance. Thank you, dear students, for the graceful and captivating performance. You have truly made the beginning of this celebration memorable. The significance of a stage lies not merely in its grandeur, but in inspiring personalities who grace it. With immense respect and pleasure, I request our principal, Sister Melissa, to kindly escort the dignitaries to the dais. The true spirit of every celebration is reflected in the words that warmly welcome us and inspire us. It's the privilege of our principal, Sister Melissa, to welcome the gathering.
Good morning and a warm welcome to this celebration of excellence. Some mornings are ordinary, some become milestones. Today is one such morning, a morning when we gather not merely to acknowledge high scores on a mark sheet, but to celebrate the discipline behind them, the resilience that sustained them, the dreams that gave them direction, and the many quiet sacrifices that made these achievements possible. On this joyous morning, it's my privilege to welcome you to the felicitation ceremony of the toppers and high achievers of grade 10 and 12 for the academic year 2025-26. A celebration of young minds who have given their best and in doing so have given their school yet another reason to be proud. To this celebration, I warmly welcome our chief guest, Mr. Sujay De Silva, the Assistant Vice President at Axis Bank. He is also the President of the Catholic Sabha of Bondil Church. Sir, your association with our school extends beyond a formal role as PTA Vice President for the year 2026-27. Your active participation in school initiatives and activities, your social service initiatives, activities reflect a spirit of engagement and service that we deeply value. We are grateful to you for your loving services to our school. Thank you for your willingness to be with us this morning and to be part of this felicitation ceremony. I warmly welcome you, Mr. Sujay, amidst us, and I request our Administrator, Sister Carissima, to welcome him with a flower sapling. I am delighted to welcome our guest of honor, Mr. Nishkal Rao, a distinguished alumnus of our school and a recipient of the prestigious research scholarship from Johns Hopkins University, USA. Nishkal, your presence brings with it something more than achievement. It brings a story that began with the very walls of this institution and has traveled towards the frontiers of research and higher learning. For our students, you are a living reminder that the journey beyond school can be as extraordinary as you dream. It is wonderful to have you back among us today, and I warmly welcome you. I request our superior, Sister Reshma, to offer a flower sapling as a sign of our welcome and appreciation. I extend a respectful welcome to our Administrator, Sister Carissima, our Superior, Sister Reshma D'Souza. Your steady guidance and commitment continue to create the environment in which our students are engaged not only to excel, but also to grow into responsible and compassionate individuals. Warm welcome to you, dear sisters. A loving welcome to all the members of the Parent-Teacher Executive Committee. Your partnership gives greater meaning to the shared responsibility of shaping young lives. A hearty welcome to all of you. And to the parents of our achievers, also the parents of Mr. Nishkal and the brother. Today belongs to you in a very special way. Every certificate and trophy being presented here carries an invisible inscription. Someone believed, someone encouraged, someone waited, someone sacrificed. Behind every successful student stands a parent, a family that quietly walked the journey with them. Dear parents, your presence today makes this celebration complete. A loving welcome to all of you, my dear parents. And now, to the toppers and high achievers of grade 10 and 12 batch 2025-26. Today, your names are being called because your results speak loudly. But we know that your real achievement lies in what those numbers cannot reveal. Perhaps some of the mornings you began with determination, some of the distractions you resisted, the setbacks you overcame, and the consistency with which you returned to your goals. Dear students, may this recognition never become the full stop at the end of an achievement. Let it be a comma, a pause before the next chapter, the next question, the next challenge, and the next summit. My cheerful welcome to all of you, dear toppers and achievers. Shall we put our hands together? Yes. They are the stars of today. And finally, to our grade 10, 11, and 12 students and members of my staff, I extend a heartfelt welcome. May today's celebration kindle possibilities within you. And dear teachers, your patient guidance often remains unseen behind every visible success. Therefore, this felicitation ceremony is also a quiet tribute to your contribution. A hearty welcome to all our teachers. At Mount Carmel, we believe that education is not simply about teaching the highest rung. It is about becoming worthy of the height we reach. Our motto, higher and nobler, therefore asks of us not merely to go higher in achievement, but to grow nobler in thought, character, and service. As we honor our achievers today, may we celebrate not only how high they have climbed, but who they have become along the way and who they are yet to become. With that spirit, I once again extend a warm, cordial, and loving welcome to all of you. May this morning be a celebration of achievement, a tribute to perseverance, and an invitation to dream beyond what has already been accomplished. Hearty welcome to all of you to this felicitation ceremony. May God bless all of us.
Thank you, sister, for your warm and inspiring words. Your message has truly enriched this beautiful occasion. Words of wisdom have the power to inspire dreams, ignite aspirations, and shape the future. With great honor, I invite our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Sujay De Silva, Vice President of the PTA, to address the gathering. Sir, the stage is yours.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Sister Melissa, Guest of honor and Mr. Nishkal Rao, School Administrator Sister Kaisima, Sister Superior, Mr. Reshma, our PTEC Secretary Mrs. Merlin, all the PTC members, dedicated teachers, proud parents, bright students, and everyone gathered in this auditorium. It is a great honor and privilege to be here today to celebrate the outstanding achievements of our toppers. My heartfelt congratulations to every student to whom we are felicitating today. Your success is the result of your hard work, discipline, determination, and the constant support of your parents and as well as our teachers. Every achievement reminds us that success comes to those who stay focused, work consistently, and never give up. To the students who will be receiving the awards today, I encourage you to remain humble and continue striving for greater heights. Let this achievement be the beginning of an even brighter journey. I also sincerely appreciate the Mount Carmel teachers for their tireless efforts in shaping young minds and the parents for their unconditional love, guidance, and sacrifices. Together, you have played a vital role in this student's success. Once again, I congratulate all the achievers. May you continue to dream big, work hard, and become responsible citizens of India who make a positive difference in society. Thank you, and all wish you a bright and successful future. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and thought-provoking address. Your words will certainly motivate our young achievers to continue strive for excellence. The future belongs to those who dare to dream, work with dedication, and never stop reaching for the stars. This morning, we are privileged to have amidst us a truly exceptional alumnus, Mr. Nishkal Rao, whose remarkable journey from the classrooms of Mount Carmel Central School to the world-renowned research institutions is an inspiration to every student present here. Mount Carmel Central School takes immense pride in felicitating our distinguished alumnus, Mr. Nishkal Rao of the 2019-21 Grade 11 and 12 batch. At this juncture, I request Ms. Priyanka to kindly take over the stage and lead us through the felicitation ceremony.
It's indeed a matter of immense pride and privilege to have among us an outstanding young researcher whose journey is a shining example of academic excellence, unwavering dedication, and an abiding passion for science and research. An illustrious alumnus of Mount Carmel Central School, Mangalore, Mr. Nishkal Rao has consistently distinguished himself through exceptional academic achievements. He emerged as the academic topper of our Grade 12 batch of 2019-21 and achieved remarkable ranks in several prestigious national competitive examinations, including KVPY with an All India rank of 93, JEE Advanced All India rank of 1739, JEE Mains with 99.3 percentile, and Karnataka CET with an All India rank of 35. Although he received admission offers from premier institutions such as IIT Madras and NITK, his passion for fundamental science led him to join the Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research, Pune, one of India's foremost institutions for scientific research. Mr. Nishkal graduated with a distinction from IISER Pune, specializing in physics, astronomy, and mathematics. His pioneering research in gravitational waves, black holes, and quantum physics has been published in the prestigious Physical Review D, a journal of the American Physical Society that has featured landmark research by eminent physicists, including Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking. His academic pursuits have taken him across the globe. He completed a fully funded research internship at Friedrich Schiller University, Germany, conducted research at the University of Birmingham, United Kingdom, and began his master's thesis in June 2025 under the guidance of distinguished scientists from the Albert Einstein Institute, Germany, Washington State University, USA, and the Beijing Institute of Mathematical Sciences and Applications, China. He has also collaborated with researchers from leading institutions in the United States, contributing to cutting-edge research in theoretical physics. Adding yet another milestone to his illustrious journey, he has secured admission with full funding of approximately 1,80,000 US dollars, which comes to 1.75 crores, to pursue his doctoral studies at the prestigious Johns Hopkins University, USA. Despite his extraordinary accomplishments, Mr. Nishkal remains a humble and grounded individual. He has a deep appreciation for nature and culture, with interests that include photography, preparing authentic cuisines, sharing cultural traditions, and connecting with the people. Above all, he is passionate about teaching and has a remarkable ability to simplify complex scientific concepts, making science engaging, enjoyable, and accessible to learners of all ages. Mr. Nishkal Rao's inspiring journey, marked by academic brilliance, groundbreaking research, humility, and a commitment to preserving cultural heritage, makes him a true role model for every young leader. May I now request our chief guest, principal, administrator, and the superior to kindly felicitate Mr. Nishkal Rao in recognition of his outstanding achievements, congratulate him on his exceptional journey of scientific research, and extend our heartfelt wishes for continued success in all his future endeavors. I request parents of Nishkal Rao to please join us on stage, and his brother.
Congratulations, Nishkal Rao. Your dreams are shining brighter now. From Mount Carmel to the sky, you've taught us all to dream and fly.
Johns Hopkins waits with open doors to help you reach 1,000 more.
The universe has found its star, and we are proud of who you are.
Wow, indeed a proud moment. Thank you, dignitaries. Thank you, ma'am, for introducing Nishkal and highlighting his remarkable achievements. We now look forward to hearing the inspiring story behind this remarkable journey. Audience, please join me in welcoming Mr. Nishkal Rao with a warm round of applause.
Distinguished dignitaries on the dais, my friends, and all the teachers involved here. These are the reason why I'm here. I am nothing, I'm just a student with you people, and it's so nice to come back, relive those memories, look at these walls, and it's a very beautiful place of inspiration, of focus, research, and as their motto says, we have to become higher and nobler. It is my pleasure and such a big honor to come back here, and I am extremely overwhelmed, so I am sorry, I am out of words here, and this is not about me, this is about all of you who have achieved all this. You have done great, and there's so much more to come. This place has trained you very well. There's a strong foundation in place that is gonna take you to greater places. And I would just like to bring one point to your notice is we have a lot of engineers, doctors, but what we need now is researchers. There's a scope in science. At that point, I didn't know much about it, but going through it, I've been welcomed by opportunities, by a huge scope in research, and we need bright minds. I request all of you to at least consider science because that is something which we require. We have brilliant minds that need to work on things, that need to work on problems which are beyond us. The scale of this universe is massive. And in that, we are a small speck of dust who are thinking about problems. So this is really important for us to, think more about some of these interesting problems in the universe and contribute meaningful to the society. And especially for me, I was at Sharada till 10th, but I specifically joined Mount Carmel because this was a CBSE school, at the college too, which helped, focus on these competitive exams, at the same time boards and all that. It is really important to have this practice, to be multidisciplinary, focus on a multitude of things, because you never know where it'll come back. And it's again my great pleasure, great honor to be here. I am standing on the shoulder of giants, as they say. Thank you so much, and all the very best.
Thank you, Nishkal, for those inspiring and encouraging words. Your journey from our classrooms to one of the world's leading universities fills every Carmelite with immense pride. We wish you God's abundant blessings, continued success in your research, and every success in your future endeavors. Behind every outstanding achievement lies a story of determination, perseverance, discipline, and countless hours of hard work. Today, we proudly celebrate the exceptional achievers of Grade 12 Board Examination, Batch 2025-26, whose remarkable accomplishments have brought honor and glory to our institution. I now invite Ms. Shashwati Jain to kindly take the proceedings forward and lead us through the felicitation ceremony.
On this joyful occasion, it's our great pleasure to felicitate and honor the achievers of Senior Secondary Board Exam. We proudly recognize their success and celebrate the significant academic journey. We're delighted to share the wonderful achievement of Diksha, PCMB student who was topped the school in the academic year 2025-26 with 94.8%. I request Diksha along with her parents to come to the stage. She also showcased hard work and dedication by securing an impressive 124 marks and remarkable 99.69 percentile in NATA, the National Aptitude Test in Architecture. With this outstanding achievement, Diksha is all set to pursue her dream of becoming an architect and has joined the B.Arch program at the Manipal School of Architecture and Planning. A big round of applause for Diksha. Congratulations, Diksha. Avanish Chaturvedi, a proud student of Grade 12 PCMB, has brought great honor to our school by securing 93.2% in the Senior Secondary Board Exam. Also, an outstanding All India rank of 3,268 in NEET 2026 with an impressive score of 632 out of 720 marks. This achievement is a true reflection of his hard work, dedication, perseverance, and commitment towards his goal. Anugraha Kurian with 87.8%. Diya Chauta, 84.6%. Akshay Prasad, 83.4%. Rubil Raju, 81.8%. Tulsi B. Shetty with 79.2%. Pallavi Bhatt, 78.6%. Terry Theon D'Souza, 77.2%. Karen Elaine Lobo, 76.4%. Nawal J. Pujari with 75%. Congratulations, dear students and parents.
Thank you, ma'am, for presenting the list of outstanding achievers. The journey of a student is not measured merely by marks, but also by cherished memories, enduring friendships, valuable lessons, and personal growth. I request Ms. Diksha to share her inspiring experience with us.
A very good morning to one and all present here today. I am Diksha, and I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to the alma mater, the principal, and the teachers who have supported me through one of the most important journeys in life. I was very fortunate and blessed to have the opportunity to learn from the best teachers one could ever wish for. I'm not mentioning each subject separately, for my mere words wouldn't do justice to the excellent mentoring each teacher has offered us. Our teachers make the learning enjoyable by involving real-world applications that clear up our basics and conceptual understanding. The classes were made interesting and interactive through thought-provoking discussions which made us curious and pushed our limits to always think, question, and encouraged problem solving. The teachers were always available for us to approach them anytime for doubts, always ready to help us. I must say that all of this collective support from the school prepares us to face the CBSE board exams with confidence and helps us get good scores. The structural layout of the CBSE curriculum is comprehensive and offers conceptual clarity, which lays out a solid foundation for tackling advanced concepts. The teachers have helped us achieve this first important milestone, and now I am back here to express my sincere thanks to Sister Melissa and my dear teachers for their unwavering support and for facilitating us to achieve our dreams and goals. I would like to conclude by quoting Albert Einstein: "Education is not the learning of the facts, but the training of the mind to think." Mount Carmel helps us to think and evolve higher and nobler. Thank you.
Thank you, Diksha, for sharing your beautiful journey and heartfelt reflections. Every success story begins with a dream, is nurtured through dedication, and blossoms through perseverance. To continue the celebration of excellence of the academic year 2025-26, Ms. Vincy Thomas will take the special moment forward.
A lamp does not speak. It introduces itself through its light. Likewise, achievers never expose themselves, but their achievements expose them. Good morning, one and all. It's now my privilege to announce the names of our students who have brought pride to our school by obtaining an outstanding marks in the CBSE 10th board examination. Their hard work, determination, and dedication have earned them this well-deserved recognition. Let us congratulate their remarkable achievement. Manav Menon is an outstanding student who has excelled both academically and personally. He achieved an outstanding 99.6% overall, along with centum in 4 subjects: Hindi, Mathematics, Science, and AI. in the CBSE Class 10th Board Examination 2025-26. Avanti Prasad, too, is an exceptional achiever. She obtained an outstanding 98.8% overall, thereby achieving the title of second topper in our school. She also scored centum in English, mathematics and AI. Akshay Prashant, who has also brought great pride to our school through his outstanding performance by achieving 98.4% overall and centum in AI. Anpu Narendra Bala obtained an outstanding 97.8% overall and centum in AI. Though he is unable to be with us today, we warmly congratulate him on his excellent achievement and wish him all the very best. Samanvida Alva, who scored an outstanding 97.6% overall and with a centum in Hindi. Amartya Bekal, who obtained 96.8% overall and centum in AI. Grace Olivia De Silva, who achieved an outstanding 96.8% overall and centum in AI. Navita Anna Rego, who scored 96.6% overall and centum in English. I welcome Angel Rose Fernandez, who obtained an outstanding 96.4% overall and centum in AI. Mahendra Vasant, who scored 96.2% overall with centum in AI. Harshul Prahlad Suvarna, who has achieved an excellent 96% overall. Nishant Kirodiwal, 96%. Aiden Lawrence D'Souza, 95.8% overall and centum in AI. Ashni Ansita D'Souza, 95.8%. Janine Graciel D'Souza with 95.8% overall. Janelle Giovanna Pinto with 95.8%. Sahil Vijay Narvekar with 95.8%. Adit Baroli with 95.6%. Ananjan Ajit Soman, 95.6%. Darunit Dian with 95.6%. Mahanyan Chen, 95.4%. Prisha Kulal with 95.4%. Anchaliga Kirti with 95%. Dale De Silva with 95%. Siona D'Souza with 95%. Tejas Chandra Sadish with 94.8%. Abhinav Esbat with 94.4%. Viola Rachel Fernandez, 94.4%. Ian Suvendi Mello with 94.2%. Pranav Gupta with 94%. Rochelle Marie Lobo, 94%. Lisa Ashil D'Souza, 93.8%. Shirish Shetty with 93.8%. Devadevan Sujit Nair with 93.2%. Neha Andrea with 93.2%. Skidakshi Bishnoi with 93%. Joyce Sherman Ephraim with 93%. Prajwal Rao with 93%. Venora Levisha Lobo with 93%.
Divish Shetty, 92.8%. Enen Loruna, 92.8%. Swaroop Suttan, 92.8%. Vrishti Kulal, 92.8%. Sanvi Santosh, 92.6%. Shreyas Madhusudan, 92.4%. Tanvi Ashok Anchan, 92.4%. Jovial Anna D'Souza, 92.2%. Arthraj, 92%. Nicholas Richard Pinto, 92%. Viona Pinto, 92%. Kevin Kushalappa, 91.8%. Riona Janvia Miranda, 91.8%. Samuel Isaac D'Souza, 91.8%. Ashil Sanchia D'Souza, 91.6%. Ritvik Desai, 91.4%. Tanishka Shetty, 91.4%. Anshul Shetty, 91.2%. Anvita Dutt, 91.2%. Vinanti Venkatraman Acharya, 91%. Amalu Fatima Badruddin, 90.8%. Johan Gladson, 90.8%. Rihanna Leora Mascarenas, 90.8%. Anika Sharma Kabbinahitlu, 90.6%. Sudishna Harish Shetty, 90.6%. Leola D'Souza, 90.4%. Aditya H. Shettigar, 90.2%. Kush Prashant with 90.2%. Lenora Alma Govius, 90%. Siona Pinto with 90%. Congratulations to all the students and parents.
Thank you, dignitaries, for doing the felicitation. Thank you, teachers, for reading out the names of our achievers. School life is a beautiful collection of dreams, achievements, challenges, friendships, and unforgettable memories. As we celebrate the accomplishments of our grade 10 achievers, let us now listen to the inspiring reflections of Manav Menon. Over to you, Manav.
Hello everyone, and I would like to start first off by thanking the principal sister Melissa, administrator sister Karisima, and the superior sister Reshma, teaching staff and non-teaching staff, everyone in this institution who has helped make these 13 years very memorable for me. It has truly been a remarkable experience here at Mount Carmel. This achievement could not have been possible without the constant support of my teachers and my parents. They have always believed in me. I would also like to thank my parents for their early morning temple visits on the exam day, which may have contributed to these marks. The advice that I have to offer to each and every one of you is to please be consistent in your studies and in your efforts. Persevere despite any difficulties. Don't let small things stand in your way. Keep moving, even if it is just one step at a time. I would like to conclude this by wishing the present batches with the best of luck in all your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, Manav, for sharing your inspiring journey with us. Heartiest congratulations to all our outstanding achievers of grade 10 and 12. Your accomplishments are a reflection of your hard work, determination, discipline, and commitment to excellence. May you continue to scale greater heights and inspire many more generations of Carmelites. A special message to the students of the present batch 2026-27. Every achiever we celebrate today was once seated exactly where you are now, with dreams in their hearts and goals before them. What set them apart was the courage to begin, the discipline to persevere, and the determination to never give up. So believe in yourself. I'm sure the next celebration will be yours. Gratitude is the noblest expression of appreciation. Every successful celebration becomes meaningful because of the support, encouragement, and contributions of many wonderful people. With immense joy, I call upon Sister Juliana Furtado to propose the vote of thanks.
The roots of all goodness lie in the soil of appreciation. Indeed, every achievement blossoms where appreciation and encouragement are nurtured. It is with this spirit of gratitude I deem it a great honor to express a few words of thanks on this momentous occasion as we conclude this joyous gathering for the outstanding accomplishments of our grade 10 and grade 12 toppers. Respected guests, dear sisters, faculty members, proud parents, and my dear students, a warm and pleasant morning to everyone present here. At the outset, we bow our heads in humble gratitude to the Almighty for His abundant blessings. We thank Him for blessing our students with the strength, determination, and perseverance to achieve excellence, for blessing our parents with unwavering faith and patience, and for guiding our teachers and mentors to shape these young achievers into confident and responsible individuals. We are deeply honored by the gracious presence of our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Sanjay De Silva, our PTA Vice President, for your gracious presence and your unwavering support towards the growth and development of our school. Your words have encouraged our students to dream beyond boundaries. We sincerely thank you, sir, and all the PTEC members for being with us this morning and for enhancing the dignity and significance of this celebration. A special note of appreciation to our distinguished alumnus, Mr. Nishkal Rao, for gracing this occasion and sharing your inspiring journey. Your achievements stand as a shining testimony to the values instilled by this institution, and your words have motivated our students to believe in themselves and strive for greater heights. It is with deep respect I extend my sincere appreciation to our beloved principal, Sister Melissa, for your inspiring leadership. Your vision and commitment continue to elevate the standards of our institution and motivate every member of our school to strive for excellence. Experience truly plays a vital role in the growth of every field. We are blessed to have our administrator, Sister Carissima, not here, whose wisdom continually enhances the caliber of our students. Thank you, Sister, for being the backbone of MCCS family. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to Sister Reshma D'Souza for your constant support and guidance. To our dear parents, we extend our heartfelt thanks and appreciation. Your unconditional love, countless sacrifices, and constant encouragement have been the greatest source of strength for your children. This success is as much as yours as it is theirs. And we thank you for your invaluable partnership with our school. Our heartiest congratulations to all our achievers. Your perseverance, discipline, dedication, and hard work have yielded rich rewards. Today, we celebrate not only your academic excellence, but also your hard work and determination. May this achievement be the first of many milestones in your journey, and may you continue to bring honor to your family, your alma mater, and our nation. I would also like to thank our teachers, non-teaching staff, students, and everyone who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event a meaningful and memorable one. As we conclude this joyous celebration, let us carry with us not only the pride of today's achievements, but also the inspiration to continue striving for excellence with humility, gratitude, and integrity. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. May God bless all of us.
Thank you, sister, for those heartfelt words of gratitude. Every milestone we achieve is built upon the strong foundation laid by our school. As a mark of our heartfelt respect and gratitude to our alma mater, I now request everyone to kindly rise and stand in attention for the school anthem.
Mount Carmel was a holy place with blessings for the earth. Likewise, our school, a precious space to find our personal worth. Gracious guidance we receive for meaningful discovery, trained and tutored to achieve in all things a mastery. With confidence and dignity, aiming for the open skies, higher and nobler ever be, on the move to climb and rise. Knowledge in all spheres imbibe, that we are part of strong virtues and principles to inscribe, so they endure lifelong. Good citizenships past troubles, the nation's codes and calls to heed, connected up with universe in body, thought, and word and deeds. With confidence and dignity, aiming for the open skies, higher and nobler ever be, on the moon to climb and rise. Shabashi!